So what is this video about? This video is about Moab mountain biking trail we have done. Me, Ruben, and Vicky. How the fuck we did even start this? Let's discuss from the beginning. About me, I'm an adventurer. I like doing adventures. I've done skydiving, surfing, snowboarding, scuba diving, whatever you want, paragliding. I did every fucking thing, and I wanted to do more. I need this adrenaline. This is my drug. I need it. I don't do crack. I do adventures. That's my drug.
This is your drug.
That's
right?
my drug, man. That's my drug. So we were hanging out one day.
I opened up this video called White Rim Trail.
White Rim Trail. That
Moab.
it started with White Rim Trail
So we saw this guy doing the entire White Rim Trail in
In-
one day.
in 24 hours. He did it.
Yeah, he did it in 8 hours.
18 hours. He took 18 hours.
Yeah, something like
to do
that.
it.
Yeah, all day.
18 hours, 100 miles.
So
Okay.
we thought, hey, wait a second, we could do that.
I was like, oh yeah, he did it in 18 hours. We can do it in 48 hours. It's pretty easy. We just like, okay, let's book the tickets.
Let's
We
book
just
it
booked
in-
it.
Yeah, we just book the ticket.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Man. At last we made it. I was awful. It sucked. It started snowing. I couldn't see anything. It was not a straight road. Every road is so curvy. It was on the hill. We were.
This is I-70.
That was an interesting drive.
It's better to be safe than never, right? So then I started driving.
We made it to Moab. It was already in the morning. Sun was high. Then we went directly to the bike shop. Let's get the bikes.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to rent 2 bikes on these 2 days. And I was like, where do you want to go? I was like, we are doing the White Rim Trail. And I was like, are you kidding me right now? And it's like, why? We have been training. I want to do it. I think you can do it.
You know what,
I
we
saw
could do
this guy.
it.
I saw this guy who did it in 18 days. I can do it in 48 hours. And I was like, no, you're gonna die. It's 100 degrees in the middle of the summer. There's no shade. 100 miles, you
No
can't do it.
services, nothing.
Like,
So
oh my god! Then it was like, try to do enchilada. Then it was like, okay, let's do enchilada. We got the car for $30 an hour, $30 per day, and we got a bike for $60 per day. Now, the adventure begins.
Yeah.
We started going up, and the muddy road starts. The stones, the valley started. Suddenly, look at Nikki.
I was scared. We literally
What?
like drove up by the edge.
Then I
Riding
realized
up.
it was common for me, but it was not common for Nikki.
I was scared. Drive back that road down by myself.
So we decided like, okay, drive up, then you will have some idea how to drive down. We saw a couple of runners running by. Then we stopped one woman and was like, hey, why are you guys running? We were thinking of 100 miles biking. They were doing 100 miles of running for over a week of time. That was like, you guys are crazy. Then we started. Hi, Lisa. started with slick rock. So Newton, what's your next adventure?
Thinking, this is my plan. I was thinking, mountain biking is something I'm actually going to do for the rest of my life.
That's
And
true.
when
That's
people
true.
say,
It's
what
not
is-
that expensive as like other extreme sports like
Extreme
skydiving, scuba diving, but
So,
it is,
and
it is
you pay
cheaper.
like a $300-400 and you get 2 minutes of excitement. This is you are having a great time and
Amazing
you
time.
get to enjoy this trail. There are many of the hiking trails we actually cannot do it by foot. Many people scared. We are actually doing it on our bike.
Why not?
So next thing I'm thinking, there are amazing trails in Sedona, Arizona area, and there are some around Rocky Mountain region in Colorado. So we could get a easily flight from here to there and do it. And just before the fall of September, October time, because the temperature is going to be cool down,
Yeah.
so it's good to do biking there. That's what I was thinking.
All right. Until next adventure, we'll see you again.
It's okay. It's okay.
I told you I'll call you. Oh, serious drop. Shit. No, wait. This side, right? No, there is no route here. Where are you going? Being up. This is so hard, dude. What the fuck? Oh no, this is not happening.